So we want to start to separate our strategy from the actual execution. And the best way to do that is to keep these things in mind. So for the product roadmap, we want to ask these key questions. What strategies and initiatives are going to actually make an impact for the business?
Hmm.
And what's going to create value for the customer? So in this phase, you're defining the problems. It's like, what problems and needs do my
Right,
customers
right.
have? You're looking at requirements, you're looking at the scope, you're validating by having the customers and the stakeholders present and interacting with them. You're getting buy-in, you're eliminating some of the misconceptions that you may have had, and you're coming up with potential solutions and product ideas. That's all about the strategic piece of it.
Right. And then when we talk about the release plan, that's where we're really talking about how are we going to do this? And we're talking about execution. So now that we know where we're going, how are we actually going to get there? So do we have any obstacles? Are there any impediments that we can get rid of so that we can get to that end state better and more quickly? How are the development teams actually going to plan this out in sprints? And this is where we're starting to really do some of that coordination that is necessary during execution, like which resources are we going to have develop this particular scope, and doing some of that capacity planning and thinking about budget and cost, and also setting up that timeline. So thinking about the milestones and when are things actually supposed to be released to a customer.